Okay. We're here in Palayan Elementary School. This is the elementary school where the children of our Aita community tribal is studying. This is an elementary school, meaning there is grade 1 to grade 6. So, what's your name? Name? Huh? Obilin. How old are you? Pila edad? Grade? Grade 3. Ikaw, how about you? Huh? Okay. 15. Grade?
3.
Okay. So, they are about 9 or 11 Aitas who are studying in this Palayan Elementary School. So I spoke to their head teacher, their principal. They are in need of a comfort room here. So we understand that the government has a limited budget, so that is why here comes the role of the private sector, ma'am, to help the community to help. So they're in need of 10,000 pesos for the construction of their comfort room. Could you imagine these children has no comfort room? What will happen to them if they have personal necessities? So they go out and go to the river. That's very sad to know. So we will help them. The mission will help them through our mission partners. We will raise 10,000 pesos for them to construct a comfort room. And we hope also if we could find ways, we could bring bags here and school supplies here in Palayan. Yung enrollment from how many students do you have in all?
They are 64 in all.
64 in all, from grade 1 to grade 6. Okay, they need a comfort room. Then we hope we could bring school supplies here, bags and whatsoever we can extend. And we hope also to conduct at least a weekly supplemental feeding for children. We can tap the community here and of course the teachers. So I hope that we could help them for the bright future of these children. So thank you and God bless.